Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile phone from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi S5. It's not as easy as you would think. It's not intuitive at all, but if you just follow me, it's on sat nav at the moment. So if I click back here, these two buttons, you've got radio, media, nav, map and telephone. So depending on which way you click those, if I click it back towards me, that's telephone. Onto telephone. You've got connect mobile phone here, but there's a plus at the side. We knock the rotary control across here, brings up another menu, connection manager. So we want this connection manager, Bluetooth settings, online settings, Wi-Fi settings and telephone settings. We want connection manager. So if I click on connection manager, on the connection manager you've got primary phone not connected. So there's a plus here, that doesn't take you anywhere. But what I need to do, I click on primary phone, there you go, it's brought up the list of phones that are connected. You'll see there, connect new device, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, John's phone. I want to disconnect Barry's iPhone. So I turn the rotary control down to Barry's iPhone, and then if I click it, it will try and select it. There's a plus at the side. Knock it over. Now then, it's eventually got us to the menu that we want. Display Bluetooth profile, store as default telephone, or delete Bluetooth device. So I'm just going to go back there. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. If I click, it will put a tick in there and try to connect. I want to delete it. So knock it across, brings up the new menu, display, store as default or delete. I want to delete it. So we highlight delete Bluetooth device, click on that. This device has been deleted. The device has been far too complicated to just delete a phone, but that's how you do it.